So first I'm going to start with the base coat, and if you'd like to know the names of all the polishes I'm using today and where you can find them, just go ahead and check the description box below. Then use a white nail art brush to outline the natural arch of the tip of your nail. Then use a white polish to fill in the area above the arch you just created, and it's okay if you go a little bit outside of the lines. Next, you're going to take a Q-tip dipped in acetone or nail polish remover to clean up any area where you went outside the lines on your nail or on the sides of your nail. Then apply just one coat of a nude colored nail polish. And since our base coat from earlier can also be used as a top coat, we're gonna apply one coat of this to finish it off. Thank you so much for watching my first video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're excited to see more, go ahead and hit subscribe. I promise I'm gonna have more tutorials coming soon for more of my complicated designs and also more beginner tutorials for anyone who's just starting out in nail art. So I can't wait to share all this information with you guys, and thanks for watching!